Now, good day, everybody. In this video, you're going to learn a very simple way to analyze the market. Now, let me open my Binance. Okay, this is your Binance. Now, just take notes. Take notes if you're trading on Binance, okay, probably futures or spots. Just take notes. Anytime you come to this place, you see where the word gainers. Click on the gainers. Okay, take notes. You will see all the coins that are doing well at the moment. Then if you go to losers, you will see all the coins that are not really doing well at the moment. Okay. Now there are some points in time which this coin are the coin doing well, and that other one which is the gainers, they are the one doing bad. Okay, so just take notes. So these ones that are showing red should be the one you should analyze when they are red. I'm not saying you should trade them always, out of my own strategy, I look at these coins. Do you know why? Because the ones that are turning red, they are the next to turn green. So you analyze them ahead of time, then you wait for the entry point and you enter and you make some good money from it. Okay, so let's check promo. Okay, let's just go straight to the stuff. Now let's use a coin as a reference to analyze. Let's go to markets. Let's go to market. Let's check on. Let's see this ENJ. For instance, if I click on ENJ USDT, it will take me to the chart. Now, if you can see, I have some indicators. So let me remove the indicators so that it will be an empty chart. So now I have an empty chart. Now, if you check here, you see those indicators: moving average, exponential moving average, Bollinger Band, volume, MACD, RXI, and KDJ. Okay, so what you will do here is the first thing to do is we want to actually impute the volume. Okay, but before we impute the volume, let's change the time frame to a daily time frame. Let's see what's happening on a daily time frame. Once you click on the daily time frame, then you shrink your screen downward because you want to watch the market closely. Okay, I don't know why this. Okay, you pinch your screen to know the direction of the market. So from what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing a support level here. If you watch my video on support and resistance, you understand what I'm saying. I'm seeing a support level here, and I'm also seeing a resistance level here. So the market has been going up around this movement. So I'm still expecting this market to come down though and still pump up from what I'm saying. Okay. So if we have here as a support level, then the market is yet to come down. It's still going to come down a little bit. Okay, that is my own observation. Okay, so here is a resistance level which the market needs to break from this support level. Okay, so I'm expecting the market to go up, come down, which it has been doing. Okay, the market broke. That's a fake breakout. It came down into that point again, into this uh, rectangular box, and goes up, come down, but it's not yet touching this part here. So I'm expecting the market to come down, then go back up. Okay, so let's take notes. Always draw your support and resistance. Okay, and I'm also seeing another support and resistance here. Don't mind my drawing. Okay, if you check, the market is also following this pattern. So if the market should break this support level, which is this one we are looking at now, then we are simply heading to this point here around this next support level. This is the next support level of 1.56, around there about. Okay, just take notes. Now you'll be asking me, why did I draw this other one? That is the market structure. I've done a video on market structure. I'm still going to do another video on market structure so that you learn how to draw your support and resistance the right way. Okay. So now the reason why I drew this part as the next support level, it is because of this part here. Okay. So the market is going up, down. It has gone back and touched that resistance level. So I'm expecting it to pull back to this support level again. Okay, so just take notes of this market. So this market now, if you see a confirmation of a sell, you can enter it in futures. Now, how do you sell this market? We're already in a bull run. We're already in a bull run. The bull run means that all the market will be going up. No matter the pullback, they will still be going up. So how do you take advantage of this sell market? Left to me, I will not advise you to sell on a bull market. Okay, but sometimes you can sell if you know what you're doing. So how do you gain for such market? Now you will now put your volume. Look at your volume. You will now insert your volume. So I want to click on the volume. Now if you can see, the green volume simply means that the bias is up, while the red volume simply means that the sellers are taking over. So if you check, we have a very low volume. We have a very, very low volume. Okay, the volume is very, very low for the sellers and also for the buyers. So it's like when we have a doji candle in the market, indecision candle, that means you don't know where the market will go to. That is what I'm trying to see here from the look of the volume. Okay, so let's insert another indicator. I like the Bollinger Band. The Bollinger Band, let's put it on. Now the Bollinger Band shows you, if you can, let me just give you a little tip about the Bollinger Band. If you check, whenever the market touches this up yellow line for the Bollinger Band, there is a retrace. Okay, the market went back up again, touches that line, and do another pullback again. So the market have touched that line and it has done pullback. It has gone back to the middle line and it's about to do a pullback to the third line. So that pullback now is what might drag us to this level. Let me show you that level I drew, that previous level. Okay, that I said the market is going to come down. So the market might come down to this point. Are you seeing it? So that is why you need these indicators to support you. So let's take out the Bollinger Band. We have known that the market has touched that middle Bollinger Band moving average. So it's going to come down to this point. But why I feel that the market is going to retrace upward a little bit before it comes down, if at all it will come down, it is because we just saw a little dump in the market yesterday. So and the market is trying to pick up. So this one might pick a little. Then if we see weakness in the bull and the bears took over, then we are going to see a slightly pullback to this point here. So just take notes. So you just take your book, your pen, and your paper and write NJUSDT and put it on your watch list. So you'll be watching it. So let's just check another indicator. Let me remove the Bollinger Band. Let's use the moving average. Let's use the moving average. Let's say the EMA, for instance. Let's click on the EMA. Now the EMA shows you the direction of the market as well. Okay, so when you check here, you see that the moving average, they have crossed themselves. Okay, we have the moving average like this. You see another one crossing each other. You see the third one crossing. So all of them are crossing upward. That is a buy signal. That is what happened here. That is a buy signal. Let me try and zoom the screen. Let's see if we can see the cross. I don't know if you can see it. Are you seeing it? Okay, the cross even started from somewhere. Yeah, look at where the cross started from. The moving average started crossing themselves upward, and that since that time the market has been buying. Look, from that time the market has been buying, even up till now. The moving average just crossed down since that time. Look at where the moving average just cross down the yellow and the purple moving average, just cross down the blue moving average. Are you saying it? So since that time, what happened? We have been experiencing sell movement. So just take note of the moving average. That is how to check the using the moving average to check the market. You see the crossing whenever the moving average cross themselves downward. You know that you are in a little bit downward trend. Okay, you are in a downward trend. So you take note of the market. You see the market as a downward movement. You'll be observing the market with the Bollinger Band, with your market structure in place, with the moving average in place. You are good to go. You are good to go. I'm going to do a part two of how to analyze the market. It's a step by step. I don't want to because of the what's it called, the megabyte of the video. I don't want it to be too large for you to download or watch. So I'm going to stop somewhere here. So let me just try and see if I can just draw another structure in another market for you to understand how this thing works. So let me remove the moving average and the volume. Let's go to upper upper USDT. Okay, we are on the daily chart. On the upper USDT, now as you can see, let me show you something. Check the structure. Look at the structure here. The market was doing up, down, up, down, up, down. For what? It breaks out of that structure and it wants to form another structure here again. As you can see, it's going up, down, up, down, up, down. Immediately it broke that out of that rectangular line. You see the market started coming down. Are you seeing the usefulness of structure? If you know how to draw structure in this market, you will always trade in profit. So let's drag the market. Now the market has done what again? Started forming another structure here. Let me try and draw the structure. Look at the structure here. So the market is doing what? Up, down, up. So this market is about to go up. So you can buy this market on future, or you can buy this market and hold for some time. But always take note of what? The support and the resistance, which is what? The market structure. So where is the support? The support is the downward line, which is this long line. Where is the resistance? The resistance is this one up here, resisting the market from breaking through. So now you draw your support and resistance and you calculate how the market movement is. So the market is going up, down. So it's time for the market to do what? To go up. Before what? Probably a breakout will happen in this point or a breakdown instead. So if the market breaks down, you know the market is coming down. If the market breaks up, you know the market is breaking up. So now, sometimes you might not even need your moving average, your Bollinger Band. They will just be there as a probably a confirmation. So if I insert the EMA now, which is the moving average, let's just insert it. You will see that the EMA has crossed here upward. All the EMA are facing upward. It's showing a upward movement of the market. If you now draw your support and resistance, you see that the market is doing up, down. So it's time for what? The market to do what? Go up. And the moving average is telling you that the market is about to go up. Now, what you will insert again is the volume. Just insert your volume. Once you insert your volume and you see a good volume, now I see volume, the buyers are coming in. If you check here, you see the green coming up. Now the buyers are trying to come in. And if you check from the past 4 days now, the buyers has been taking over. They are trying to pull back the market upward, as you can see. So it's a good buy for this upper now. Okay, so that is how you analyze the market. So I'm going to do another video on how you analyze the market. I'm going to do some more videos on market structure and how to analyze the market in general. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to be getting more of this, because I'll be dropping videos. I've not been dropping videos for quite some months because I've been busy trading cryptos and forex, including binary and all that stuff and all that. So I'll be uploading 1 or 2 videos now to help you out, for you to trade yourself. Instead of giving money to people to trade for you, you trade yourself. You analyze the market, you trade yourself, you make some profit. And when you make some profit, you teach others, and the trend keeps going like that. We help our African brothers. Let's try and help ourselves. Okay, thank you very much for watching this short video. My name is Miss Sonny. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more of this.